What up, fam? Welcome to 2022. I'm glad to be here. Glad to see you guys still here. And we're going to make a video today. I want to talk to you about why it's a good idea to move companies as a software developer. It's all about the fat stacks. Wait, don't leave. I was just kidding. Let's get into some more detail now. Well, wait. You're probably going to want some credentials, right? Like, why would I be watching this video? Who is this guy? Smart. Let's get into that. Worked at companies as big as like Progressive, Nationwide. Worked at a dental startup that now has about 200 plus employees. So a lot of insurance, but hey, you remember, insurance pays, boy. Now, currently, I'm a senior software engineer. I'm one of the 3 founding engineers at a pharmaceutical tech company that we're spinning up, and I'll talk about that later. Maybe not in this video, but it's a really exciting opportunity. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. The biggest reason why I felt like I moved companies was to increase my salary. Money isn't everything. I understand this, but when I move, I was looking to increase my salary, and each move I was able to increase my salary by at least 20%, and that comes by negotiating. You have to know what you're worth, what the industry says you're worth, and then you fight for what you want. If you can't come to a common ground, move on, man. There's plenty of companies looking for talented software developers. Another reason why you may want to move companies is you want to try a different tech stack. That's why I moved, was to try another tech stack. My first move, I was originally doing mobile native development. I was getting tired of it. I really wanted to learn JavaScript. JavaScript at the time was catching on fire. So I found a company that was doing hybrid mobile development. So they're using JavaScript, they were using React Native. So I was able to leverage my mobile native development experience and pick up a new language, which was JavaScript, and I was able to do them both. It was amazing. Another reason why you might want to move companies is the culture. Maybe the current culture at your company isn't that great. You want to move to a culture, where you really enjoy working with your coworkers. Maybe you want to have beanbags around the office. Maybe you want to have free coffee. Maybe you want to have free snacks. Now, I won't say that's like culture in a nutshell, but I would say it's really the coworkers and the area that your company creates for you to work in. Starting out my career, I was in a very corporate setting. I didn't have a problem with it. I was just glad I was getting paid and I was getting on-the-job experience. But as I was growing and my skills were increasing, and as I got my feet under me, I kind of looked around and saw what other companies were doing, and I wanted to be a part of it. So if culture is not great for you at your current company, this could be a reason why you want to try another company. Relocating can be another reason why you may want to move companies. I've done that. I was in Cleveland, Ohio, and I was getting kind of tired of Cleveland. My wife now, we're living together in Cleveland, and we lived there pretty much like our whole life, and we were just getting tired of it. So we wanted to move to Columbus. So I looked up jobs in Columbus. They paid me more money. It was like a no-brainer, and we moved to Columbus. So relocating could be another good reason why you would want to move to another company. And now with COVID, a lot of companies are doing fully remote. So maybe you're at a company currently where they're making you go into the office. I'm sorry, but that could be the reason why you want to move. You want to go to a remote work from home position, and that's an incredibly good reason of why you'd want to move companies. And last but not least is career advancement. Maybe you're not getting that raise that you wanted. Maybe you're not getting that bump to the next step that you're looking for. This would be a great reason to go to another company. Maybe you're a associate level programmer. The company that you're at doesn't want to promote you, so you could just go to another company, apply for their mid-level engineer role, and snag that, and there you go. You'll get more money and you have your career advancement. And that's really all I got right now. I'm sure there's other stuff that I may have forgot to say or haven't said, but I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and it helps us get pushed into the YouTube algorithm. Have a good day, y'all, and I'm glad to be back in 2022.